How's it going, everybody? So today and yesterday I picked up a giant lot of vintage tractors from a local scrapyard. I'm very lucky that I got there to save them. So let's take a look at everything I got today and yesterday. So for starters, we have this Jacobson Chief 1200. This is a hydro unit. It actually does run really, really well. I've yet to have it driving. I believe the little valve to, let it roll or let it drive, there's something going on with that I got to figure out. But it runs really, really good. I was actually shocked. This is the first one I messed with, and it fired right up. And you're going to notice that's a theme with the rest of this video as well. Next up, we got this old porter cable. This is a early porter cable because it does have the rototiller tag, as you can see right there. This one ran and drove right to where it's parked. Literally took, I think, 2 pulls and it was running. So that's pretty cool. It's just got an old snowblower engine, so nothing super spectacular. But by the looks of it, I probably can swap a Predator into this one a little bit easier than that last one I had. It looks as though the conversion plate was already put in here, unlike my last one where I was going to have to build the conversion plate. But it's a pretty cool looking little tractor. I really do like the look of these. So this one might end up staying in the collection for at least a little while. Licity 3415S, Briggs & Stratton, I assume a 15 horse. This one ran and drove to where it's sitting right now. It also mows. I was shocked. I got it running. I fired right up. And I actually had the mower deck spinning and working, which is awesome. So these are really cool. I've never had one of these that ran before. I actually have scrapped a lot of these. I never had one running. So pretty much, at least on this one, you pick, which gear you want to go into, and then that's forward and that's reverse. So that's kind of a cool little thing that I didn't realize these had. The only problem with this tractor I've seen so far is that someone's going to need to find a key or replace the key switch. I have to pick that lock to, or the switch to actually turn on and off the machine. But overall, this is actually a nice little tractor. It is complete 100%. Like I said, and it runs pretty good. There's no smoke. There's no weird noises. So this is actually a really nice tractor. That's a 72 Suburban 12. We got the snowplow or dozer blade, whatever you want to call it, in the front. We got a crane on the back, which I've never seen before. This is really cool. This is one of the reasons that I really wanted this tractor, just to play around with this crane a little bit because it's just so cool. It's set up pretty well, and I'm betting it's going to pick up quite a bit of weight. Just like a boat, hand crank boat winch thing to actually, move the cable and all that. Just pretty. I mean, it's just really cool. Look at that. I mean, that's really neat. This one I've had running for a couple seconds. It's going to need a carb clean for sure, but it's not half bad. It is complete. It's got the side grill piece there. It's not a half bad tractor. It just sucks that someone had to paint it green. So really happy. I finally found a set of rears that are that pattern. I have a wheel horse with those on the front of it, and I'd love to have a matching set. So that's really cool. This unknown model Jacobson, it's got a 12 horse and a 4-speed in it. This one does run. It is also going to need a carb clean as I couldn't quite keep it running. But it started up and it sounded pretty good. There is a full mouse nest under there, and you can kind of see it moving. There is a mouse in there. I got to evict him from his little mouse house, but that's not a half bad tractor either. This one's going to be pretty easy to get going. Like I said, got to clean the carburetor out on it. So I'm not super worried about that. I believe these two here, if you know, let me know. I believe these two here are a little bit older than that one, just based on the grill style. As you can see, that doesn't have the headlight piece in there. Over here we have a Jacobson 1450, arguably the best running and driving tractor out of this whole lot. This thing fired right up, drove off the trailer, drove around my yard last night, and parked itself right here. It also has electric lift, which works, which is really cool, and it's just a really cool, good running tractor. I also just noticed that the gentleman who owned these painted this one and that one the exact same. It's got the red grill and then the silver fenders and hood, which is exactly the same on that one over there. So that's kind of funny. So I also got a whole slew of attachments here as well. Home light, snowblower, I believe that fits on the Simplicity and Alice Chalmers as well. Simplicity snowplow, that's going to go with the tractor, and then a little rear rake. Here we got another home light mower deck. I actually have a home light tractor down back, so that might be cool to put the home light with this and maybe that snowblower. One of the Jacobson mower decks. Sears Suburban garden plow. There's another garden plow there, and then another one. Not sure what these two are supposed to go with. Got another Jacobson mower deck. Got a little cultivator there, which is really cool. And then a middle buster, I believe they call that. We got this Dynamark tiller. Another home light attachment. This is a tiller. Jacobson snowplow and a Jacobson mower deck. So that's all the attachments. So yes, I'm very happy with this haul. I'm really happy that I got to save all this stuff from the scrapyard. So I'm gonna go ahead, get all this stuff washed up, and gonna list a few things, pull a few things down back that need some work, like that one, clean out the carb on that one, and do a couple other little things here and there to them. But with that being said, guys, thank you for watching, and have a good one. It's cleaning up real well. Look at the difference there. All right, here they are all washed up. You can see the paint didn't fare too well on the porter cable there. This one cleaned up really nice. A quick wax job on that, and that's going to be beautiful. This one I don't want to wash too much before I get the mouse nest out, but I wanted it cleaned up a little bit. This one's all washed up, and so is this one. This one definitely shines a little bit nicer now. I was going to do the attachments, but I just don't feel like doing it right now. So, yeah, there you guys go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.